Introducing the sleek and stylish 2020 Audi Q2 30 Tfsi S-Line in black, perfect for those who appreciate luxury and performance. Packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, and parking assistance, this vehicle will elevate your driving experience. With safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy the zone-tinted windscreen for added security and style. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer spec. Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie to make this Audi yours.